It's your boy Bug.
And it's your girl Faith.
And we're all
back with another banger.
You know what I'm saying? Back with another banger. I'm driving south.
Yeah, but you're speeding.
I don't know.
Anyway, y'all, we are going to be doing a challenge today. Basically a handcuffing challenge. So, we're going to be handcuffed to each other for the rest of the day. This should be interesting because he's gonna get on my nerves, but
She gonna get on my nerves, man.
like I said, it should be interesting. But we saw this challenge going around YouTube, so we was like, why not try it, you know?
Oh, she pushing it. Oh, she pushing that GTO.
So we was like, why not try it? So
yeah, we gonna try it. Like I said, she can get on my nerves because we both like our own space, man. It's gonna be a challenging video for the both of us, really.
exactly.
So it should be a challenge for us, but interesting y'all. Y'all see how irritable we gonna get, bro. Like, cause we both like our own space.
This is gonna be full comedy. I mean, we can't eat, sleep, pee, none of that separate.
Now we gotta take a shower, right? I think it'll work to take a shower.
Ooh, it's gonna be difficult. We shall see.
So when we get home, we're gonna let y'all see how the whole process goes. It should be, like I said, interesting for y'all, but irritating to us though. But yeah.
And we're gonna keep like trying to catch moments and stuff, so we're gonna keep vlogging.
And roll the 1K though. I want that roll the 1K. Don't like, come
Come on,
subscribe. You know
y'all.
what I'm saying? Go on in the comment. Go ahead and put Team Bug. Y'all already know. I'm gonna bring.
It's
the
Team
people
Faith.
down.
It's Team Faith. It's always gonna be Team Faith.
Team Bug. Go ahead.
Team Faith.
Y'all in the comments.
All right, y'all. So we'll get back to y'all when we get to the house. Until then, y'all just stay tuned, sit tight, grab your snacks because it's going to be an amazing, amazing, amazing video. So grab your snacks, get you some Cheez-Its, get you some juice, a Sprite, some water. Make sure you drink water today. But yeah, we'll see y'all when we get there.
All right, so we made it home. As you can see, let me see the handcuff. We all handcuffed to each other now. So we want really see how this finna go, bro. We are real out handcuffed to each other for 24 hours. Back up, woman. We in there for 24 hours. Stop moving. Y'all here move around.
I had to pee. Why you?
Look, and she wanna go ahead and cover that, and soon because she got to pee. Really. I would like I'm going with her. Let's go. Let's go to the bathroom. Like I'm going with her. Come on. Look, I got far. Look. Alright, Joe. Now we just shit. Look, she on TikTok. I'm chilling watching YouTube. I'm watching, you know what I'm saying?
Help!
Little something.
Help!
Y'all hear this special child over here?
Help.
We are still handcuffed.
Help!
That child is screaming help.
Hey, say y'all. Say y'all.
I plead him with this child, bro. She gonna put me through it now. What time is it?
It is currently
What time
8:36.
is it? Yeah, it's oh y'all can really see.
8:36.
So it's 8:36 right now, bro. So we here for 24 hours, handcuffed together, as y'all can see, man. So it's gonna be an interesting night for us, bro. Y'all gonna be with us through this whole process, bro. Being tied together and all that, bro. So right now, like I said, we just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Cooling, laying down, watching little TV.
Help!
Bro, what's your problem?
It's against my will.
And you wanted to do it. Now look, now she has to like this.
Help!
She gotta see sideways. I gotta
You
let
got
it.
me in a mask, y'all.
I got that
Help!
like this. And she gotta see sideways. This how it gonna be tonight, bro.
Help!
That's crazy. Yep, you saying the right thing. Please help this child. Please help me, man. Cause I'm fighting for my life right now. That's why Kelly said, right? I'm fighting for my life. Help me.
Yeah, I'm
We
so
both.
tired of this man moving around.
So now, but this all night long.
Stop.
I'm gonna get on her nerve. You feel me? All night long.
Stop.
Yeah, all night long. I'm finna have our wrists hurting.
Stop.
Bad. We gonna need to jump locked in.
Stop.
Yeah, we'll
Yeah, I
consist
pray.
of it. Bro, I do think she'll be the first one to break this challenge though. No cap. She gonna have to end up taking these handcuffs off. She'll be the first one to break this challenge, bro.
Yeah, because I be having to pee a lot.
Exactly. And I'm not working on my seat. So she goes to the bathroom. Nah, ain't that right?
Or you better change these sheets.
Ain't that right? He said, why would I change my seat? You gonna pee yourself?
I will.
Oh no. Oh no.
I will.
Oh no.
I will pee on myself.
Oh, she down bad. She down bad.
No, you're gonna be down bad if you want to let me go to the restroom.
You can go. I'm not going with you though. She can go, but I'm not going with her though. And they're right.
You gonna go? You gonna go? We both gonna go.
I'm not going with
You
her.
better force yourself to pee. What's your LC say?
I don't know.
You better pee before we get on this.
But yeah, it's 8 something now. We're going to check back in around
10 maybe.
about 10 o'clock. Y'all know what's up. Alright, y'all. Tonight it's like, what time is it?
Like
12, like 1, 12?
12:30.
So it is actually 12:20.
Mm-hmm.
Let y'all, I can't see it. It was still handcuffed. Let me see the phone. I'm trying that way. Let me see the phone. It let me see. 12:21. And we are still handcuffed. I ain't gonna show y'all her too much because she in her bed clothes right now. You know, can't show it on YouTube. You know, y'all got people on OnlyFans coming soon. Yeah.
No.
Tell them OnlyFans coming soon. They gotta pay for it, right?
Y'all help me.
Yeah, I'm still watching YouTube. You feel? So we just out here chilling.
Yeah.
It really like y'all really didn't get to see too much really, cause we've been chilling. Handcuffed, still chilling. She been on her phone. I been on the game, watch TV. You know what I'm saying? So it be like it been cool so far. So far she ain't got on nerves so far.
Oh wow.
I don't show this much though. So you get him on nerves. Like it on nerves.
Mm-hmm.
She got him on nerves too. I ain't gonna cap. I just try to cap for y'all, but this time I didn't cap. She did get him on nerves, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
But yeah, though, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully we'll still be handcuffed by the morning, cause I don't know. It might come up while we sleep. Who knows? We both talk turn our sleep.
They might break.
Ain't no telling, yeah, cause
They might break. They pretty durable though.
Are you trying to break them off already?
They pretty durable, y'all.
They are doable. Shake it again. But you know what I'm saying? So far, it's straight, you know what I'm saying? And so far, the night actually been straight, you know what I'm saying? We been chilling.
And then maybe we can use these handcuffs.
Whoa, on the fan. See, she brought that though. She just said somebody using them, but she nasty. You was nasty.
You don't even know what I was gonna say. I was gonna say maybe we can use these handcuffs to round up the chickens in the back.
Sure, we gonna use it for the chickens.
And no thumbs up.
Yeah, we gonna use these for the chickens, right.
Y'all better subscribe to the Gangy after this because please stop showing me.
You know what I'm saying?
In my bed clothes.
Like I said, now it's like, well, now it's
only 3 minutes, huh?
Yeah, now it's just 12:23, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, you know.
Y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, bro.
Right there, subscribe. I'm saying 1K, bro. We doing this for y'all, bro. We're trying to give out. So dark in this camera, bro. This light just come on. Pull up here. Ain't make it a better way. We trying to do this for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Better content for y'all, different type of content for y'all, you know?
Bangers every day, bangers every day.
We're doing what y'all do, more upload for y'all, you know what I'm saying? 1K subs coming soon, no cap. 1K subs coming soon.
1K subs.
Yeah, so
2K.
2K subs coming soon. You never know. Well, we're gonna catch y'all back in the morning. We're gonna interview y'all in the morning. So this is like a big out for y'all. We got like, yeah.
Help.
Yeah, and it be like a bigger out for y'all, and then we just gonna show y'all in the morning. So, it's the next morning, right? She is fully dressed, ready for work.
And he's back in the bed.
Still got these cuffs on me, man. What time is it, like 7?
No, about 8.
Let me see. What time is it? They're like...
It's only like 8:04.
Like 8:04 in the morning. Bro, sleep was horrible, not gonna cap.
Yeah.
I would.
Remind y'all, I got to get up and go to work.
Yeah, she gotta go to work with these cuffs on her. Nah, we're gonna take them all though, but she gotta go to work. So.
Yeah, I gotta go make this money. Yeah, I gotta go make this money.
Oh, man. So it's been a cool little night, you feel me, but at the same time. You do this again?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I would. Yeah.
I mean, for fun purposes.
Yeah, but for like a 24-hour thing, I don't know unless y'all want to see another like a part 2 up in public with it then. No, so we'll consider doing it again, right?
Maybe.
You know what I'm saying?
We gotta get a certain amount of likes.
Yeah, I'm saying if they do it and you know, we'll do it in
If
public.
y'all give us, we gonna go for 30.
Can y'all do 30 likes? You ain't do 30 likes?
We gonna do 30 likes.
30 likes.
I believe in you, as you would believe in me.
You gonna sing too? Put y'all like, watch, subscribe to the video, you know what I'm saying?
Subscribe to S&B Nation.
It's ready to get us to 1K, bro. We do this for y'all,
Yes,
man. For y'all. Anything else left to look up?
Y'all better subscribe or you might get no cheeses.
I don't need cheesy, bro. Put your like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Roll the 1K, share the video, talk about it, you know what I'm saying?
You did.
Until the next video, we out.
Yeah.